Guys, today we talk about how can you get codes on your RetailMeNot app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So to find or get codes on your RetailMeNot app, so all you have to do, so you just looking here for any of these offers you want to get. So and you just click on it. I'm going to click on this over here, so then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So sorry, we'll go back here. So like I say, it's going to show for you like this here. You will find here this code. You just click on it, then it's going to copy it with you here automatically. And can you uh so and now you get your code from this here on your app. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like